Hey fellow campers, I'm Wanda.
And I'm Ricky.
And we are
Tennessee Camping Nerds.
And tonight we're going to be reviewing a product that we purchased for our camper, which is a bed rail, a way to assist yourself getting out of bed. And I think most people that have an RV or a camper that has a bed in it, you probably struggle with getting out of bed, especially if you're elderly or weak for some reason or out of shape. But really, so many of these RV beds are just hard to get out of. We used to have a pop-up camper that you had to like climb up into the side and then come back out of the side. Some of the RVs, all of one side is covered, or maybe even part of both sides. I think I've even seen it where the whole part of both sides are covered. You have to slide out the bottom. You have to crawl out the bottom of the bed to get out of the bed. So it can be a struggle for somebody. You want to talk about what makes it a struggle for you?
Well, I've actually had 2 strokes, open heart surgery, and 3 stents. And so I'm not the strongest person in the world no more. And so they really helped me. I was having trouble sitting up to get out of the bed. And it's right beside you. You can grab it and pull yourself up. Makes it a whole lot easier.
Now at home we have one for the side of the bed that actually has legs that go all the way down to the floor. But in the RV, that doesn't work. The legs can't go to the floor because there's a shelf in the wall right next to the bed where the handle needs to go. So we found this particular product to be great because the full weight of the mattress and the person on the mattress hold the rail in place, and it has worked out great for us. So we want to show you review about that particular product and talk about how it works. And in the comments below, we will put down, or in the description below, we'll put down a link to this particular product where we purchased it. We actually got it off of Amazon. And that way, if you're interested in purchasing it as well, you can find it there. If this video is helpful to you, be sure and leave us a comment in the section below and click the like button.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to our channel. That it doesn't cost you anything. There's no obligation, but when you click that subscribe button, that really helps promote our channel. So we really need you to do that for us. And also click the notification bell. There's a little bell there. You click that and you'll get notifications when we put up new videos. If you have a product that's like this that assists you with getting out of your RV bed that you'd like to share, be sure and post something in the comments below. We'd love to see that. Okay, so this is the product that we purchased. You'll see that it is like kind of an L-shaped. The bar that you see along here goes underneath the mattress. And this part goes beside the mattress. And we'll actually show you a video of it under our mattress and how it works. It does come with this strap right here that you can put in there. And I'm sure that for safety, it's recommended. So I'm not telling you it's safe without it. But we've been using it without it because we really didn't have anything to attach it to. But it's worked out great for us just having the weight of the mattress and ourselves on top of that mattress. And this shows the measurements there. It's 36.5 inches across on the bottom. That's the length that's going to go underneath the mattress. So it can go under even a twin size mattress, but we have it under our RV Queen. There is adjustments for the height. You can make it taller or shorter. And there's a picture that the product shows someone using it, grabbing hold of the rail to help get out. That's very helpful to even just to get into a sitting position beside it. And then you can hold on to it as you stand up as well. And there it's showing it on a regular bed. Now here is a video that I took inside our RV bedroom. And you'll see there is the... 'cause Now it wiggles a little bit like that, but I was pulling pretty hard, and when you're laying on top of it, it's really steady, and you can see there it goes underneath the mattress. It's got the little pockets there that you can put things in, like your cell phone or um, flashlight, anything that you might need there next to the bed. Okay, so I would definitely recommend this product. It works great for us. It's very helpful. It's
It
helped you a
helps me
lot,
get up
hasn't
every morning.
it? So if this is helpful to you, again, please put a comment below. Share this video with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And now that you'll have help getting out of bed, let's go camping.
Let's go.